Are you the one with the bigger dreams but no goals to track? Are you the one who is a morning person but no specific morning routine? Or at the end of the day, you feel less achieved but procrastinated more? If any of answer is yes, then you are the right candidate for our 5 a.m. Energetic Club. It's a 21 days personal mastery workshop. Yes, we call it workshop because we work for that one victorious hour at 5 a.m. We do power exercises. We do SuryaNamaskaras, energy mantras, and gratitude wisdom for your relationships. For your mindful day and mindful life, we have guided meditations. We all know that goals are the ladders to achieve your dreams. So we have goal setting and tracking routine every day. So whatever your why you want to wake up at 5 a.m., it might be your relationship, it might be your personal mastery or your skill upgradation, but you have to come up with that why, and we will make possible through 5 a.m. Energetic Club. You just have to do simple thing. Click on the link below and sign up with the nominal commitment amount and be ready to get call from us at 5 a.m. Thank you.